Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. DaddyWRX1234 here with another knife unboxing video. This was a last-minute purchase. I had seen it. Actually, an associate at Walmart helped me out, look at a couple different knives that they had in the case. Ultimately, I decided to go with this one for the unboxing. Obviously, there's more videos to come with this, and I'm going to carry it for the week and do the honest review and opinion and things like that. You're going to see why I picked it. It's just overall beautiful. So I don't know how to pronounce this. If you guys want to let me know in the comments below, it's CRKT. I'm going to call it Cricket because why not? Or Kirked. Kirked? I don't know. All right. So we're going to run with Cricket. Okay. So today's unboxing is a Cricket Fossil, I believe the name was. I'm kind of disappointed in the box, not gonna lie. This is a cheap little flap. Obviously, you're not, framing boxes, but I would have liked to see like Fossil or something written on there that lets you know, or a skull, like one of them old-timey Western skulls with a long nose. That would have been cool, something like that. Just so you know what knife you're unboxing, what knife you're getting. You're not just looking at a case and saying, "Give me that one with the sticker 178 on it." You know what I mean? Anyways, let's get into it. Pamphlet, as always. Maybe it'll tell me how to pronounce their name. I'll have to review that later. So, guys, take a look at this. All right. Now, this handle here, I thought this was wood. It's not. It's almost like a resin, like a plastic, but like, look at, you got the grooves back here for retention. You've got a nice, finger clip opening. You've got this huge cutout, pocket clip on the back, of course. So let's open it. Look at this blade. Oh my goodness. Look at how aggressive and mean. It's got these reverse cutouts here, like the reverse cuts where you've got the blade obviously and it goes there. Feels fantastic. It's a little heavy, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little weighted. But just like look at the ergonomics of it. They've got little I don't even know if you're gonna be able to get this on. There's these little tiny grooves right here. So when you open it, and they've got the grooves up here as well. So when you open it, you can get your knife there and you really have control over it. You can also slide your thumb up here a little more if you're whittling. I'm not gonna lie, reverse the ice pick grip, it feels weird. It doesn't feel good, so it's not really a good stabber, I wouldn't say, because it feels like it's gonna twist in your hand. It doesn't feel like solidly placed in there. This way feels absolutely phenomenal. Okay, you've got, obviously, if I'm holding my arm straight, you see where the blade's pointed. You know what I mean? So there is that rotation in there, and I think that's due to the pocket clip, because you really have to wrap your fingers and then your hand around it. So I think that's what, what's making it all angled and stuff, but really it's a gorgeous knife. I don't even remember how much we paid for it, to be completely honest. It was like $40-something inside of the case. It was less than $50. It is a frame lock. I'm gonna call it a liner lock just because of, here, I'll show you. I'll bring it closer to the camera. So, right here is like the scale. I guess you could call this a scale. And then there's the lock hinge. So I don't know if that's a frame lock or a liner lock. I'm going to call it a liner lock. Although it does have the what I would call qualifications of a frame lock, because there is like this little cutout in here. I know I'm zooming in and out of this camera and the camera's probably hating it with the focus and everything like that. So I looked at it because I'm not going to lie, guys. Tactical Thursday, it is I have these moments as a YouTuber, and I'm going to get a little personal here with it. I have these moments as a YouTuber where I have a spree of great ideas for either Mechanical Monday or Tactical Thursday, and then the other, whatever the opposite one is. So if I have great ideas for Tactical Thursday, I've got nothing for Mechanical Monday. I've got a couple ideas and locked and loaded for Mechanical Monday, and now I'm slacking in this department. So I know I can get content out of unboxing a knife. This is my first Cricket or CRKT or Kirked, whatever you want to call it. And I really wanted just to not only expand my already growing collection, but it's a safe bet. you know, and this is just me coming to you personally as a YouTuber, what it's like behind the scenes, trying to come up with different content. I know Tactical Thursday is a little broader, so I can go in little different dimensions. So if you guys want to see, or if you have ideas that you would like to see, or you want my opinion on things, let me know in the comments below. You know, I could cover camouflage, I could cover whatever. But you guys got to, you know, just let me know in the comments what you would like to see for the channel. That way I, as a content creator, have an idea and an understanding what my audience would like. Tangent done, over with. Back to the knife. I know I talk too much sometimes. So I hope the reason I bought this is because yes, the cutout's cool, and I'm sure you can. I can't do it. You know, the Spyderco flip with the reverse finger thing. It's very heavy. I'm not gonna break my nail trying. But I love the assisted opening on it. Let's try doing a thumb open. So, oh Jesus, very heavy. There we go. Okay, so I got that. That hinge, even trying to go back for round 2, oh, you have to like rip that bad boy out. Once you get it separated, you can open it. It could be because it's fairly new, and that's why it's causing so much issues, but it's also a heavy knife. I'm not sure exactly how heavy. I don't have a scale to, you know, tell you how many ounces or anything, but this is definitely a more, probably my heaviest knife. It's got this like black spacer, back spacer. It's got exposed hardware. It's cool. It's got this little cutout with the little holes, which I don't know what that's really for. Right down here, but it looks cool. So, but yeah, that's the unboxing. Like I said, wish they would have included a little more personalization to the box. But I'm sure they mass produce millions of these things. They're not gonna, you know what I mean? It's just, at that point, it's just added cost for them. So I will carry this for a week and hope that my pocket doesn't completely fall out because of how heavy this thing is. But as always, we will see you on the next one. Before I wrap it up real quick, Twitch is link in the description. We're doing crazy things over there. I'm going for my first round 50 on zombies tonight. Let you guys know how I do if you tune in from 7 to 8. I'm going to try and get this uploaded before I stream. We'll see. But in any events, 7 to 8 Mondays and Thursdays, tune in, drop in, say hi. It's more one-on-one, or one on however many viewers I have, 28, 30, a couple thousand, whatever. You know, so if you want to interact with me, I do have the Twitch. I will try to, something I wanted to do, and you guys got to let me know also, is I wanted to do like Instagram page or Facebook page or something, social media wise, for my YouTube and my Twitch, so that way I could get more of a following, things like that. So I'll have to talk to my girlfriend about that because I'm sure she doesn't want a bunch of girls DMing me. Not that that's gonna happen, but there's a lot of crazy people in the world, and I am a DILF. So with that being said, I will see you on the next one.